Hi, this is Paul Hamre with UBuildIt. If you are like most people I know, you have thought and even dreamed about what the perfect home would be like for you and your family. A kitchen designed for just the way you like to cook, a media room for movies and sports, closets and storage in all the right locations, and maybe a covered patio with a view to your garden. One of the best ways to get your perfect home is to build it yourself. Now, that does not necessarily mean you pour the concrete and frame the walls. What this does mean is you control the entire process. The design, the finishes and features, the people who do the work, the materials used, and everyone answers directly to you. With UBuildIt as your guide, you are in charge. We will help you plan and manage your own custom home building project like a professional, one step at a time. Let me show you how we do this. Come on in for a free initial consultation and we will talk about your dream home and how you can create it. To schedule your meeting, call 1-800-UBuildIt or visit us at UBuildIt.com. You can also come see us at the Spokane Home and Yard Show, February 22nd through 25th at the Spokane Interstate Fairgrounds.
Your home's in your hands. You build it.